In this video, I'm showing you how you can deactivate a Facebook page temporarily. So to do that, let's just tap on this here, tap on the setting button. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So now you can search deactivate at the search button there, or you can scroll to the bottom here and you move to access and control. You see the arrow, just tap on that side. You see deactivate there selected. So that's temporarily. So you just tap on continue. Always know that you're going to confirm your identity. So temporarily I'll be back, and you tap on continue. You enter your password definitely. Yeah, so now it's for 7 days. You can adjust the days like that. So don't reactivate automatically. So anytime you want to be back, you just come back and reactivate it. Continue. And you need to confirm your identity. You enter your password. That's it. You just tap on the continue when you are done, and that's it on how you deactivate your page on Facebook. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.